you're kind of an ogre. And Shrek.
Stack them, honey.
You gotta let him count. Shrek?
Stack them.
How's it going? Good? Good for me too. I'm okay.
She was stacking them.
Flower and thought of you because it's pretty and, well, I don't really like it, but I thought you might like it because you're pretty. But I like you anyway. I'm in trouble. Okay, here we go.
Who could ever love a face so hideous and ugly? Princess and ugly don't go together. That's why I can't stay here with Shrek. My only chance to live happily ever after is to marry my true
Good girl. And then what, honey? Cara, and then what? Huh? And then what? Huh? And then? And then Yanni.
No, you can't read the word. No one will ever know.
Huh? Where's the baby?
Promise you won't tell.
Where's the baby?
Promise.
All right, I won't tell. But you should. Before this is over, I'm gonna need a whole lot of serious therapy. Look at my actress.